So it's that time of the year again. It's time for you to have badminton PE class, or what some of you may call sports class, and you want to stand out in this sport because you suck at every other sport and you think badminton is super easy. But you're wrong. But don't worry, today we'll be teaching the 5 most essential tips that you can use immediately that will help you win badminton and PE class every time. So make sure to show some support with a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Our first tip that we have to win badminton in PE class every time is to serve high and to the back. Now, why we want to do this is because in PE class, not everyone knows how to play badminton. So when you move them all the way to the back of the court, they're going to be hitting a shot that's too short, meaning that all you have to do is stand at the front of the court and wait for the shot to kill it. Now, how do you serve a high into the back shot? Well, what you want to do is, of course, hold your bird on the tip. And what you want to do is go into a serve position, and from here, really as you're serving, make sure you carry forward and have it high all the way to the back, and not just to here, in the back area box. And you have to make sure it's high so that the bird comes down, and when they're hitting it at the top of the bird, so it's going to be even worse. And all you have to do is when they hit that shot, come up and kill them in the face. Headshot preferably. Our second tip to help you win badminton PE class every time is to stop smashing. Yes, I said it, stop smashing. Now I know it looks super cool when you can hit that winning smash, but if you want to win, that's not the way to go. Why? Because your smashes are probably not very good, very floaty, not accurate, and most of the times when you smash, it puts you more out of position. What you want to do is move them around the court instead, because none of them actually know how to run, but all of them can hit if it comes right to them, right? So stop smashing. Tip number 3 is stop trying to win the point and just hit it back. You know, at this level, PE class level, no one is steady enough, like playing constantly back with long rallies all the time. All you need to do is hit it back and wait for them to make the mistake, right? Why force yourself trying to win a point, making a mistake, when you can just let them make a mistake? Of course, if you want to be that cool guy and hit all those cool shots, you can, but you probably only have a 10% chance of hitting that shot. If you want to win, all you have to do is consistently hit it back and wait for your opponent to make a mistake. Tip number 4 to winning every time is to get there earlier than you need to. Now, this is more tailored for beginners. Most of the time, why you hit a bad shot is because when you're moving there, you don't have enough time to aim and to swing. And as a beginner, you need even more time to aim and swing than a professional. So, when you're getting to the shot, you want to make sure you get there as early as possible. Hold a position so you really have time to aim and hit. And I assure you that when you get there early enough, all your shots will be 2 times better, or should I say 20 times better. Our 5th tip to winning every time is having confidence on the court. Now you might hear this a lot, but how do you have confidence? Well, there's a few ways. Coming onto the court strong. Making your opponent fear you, looking at them in the eyes. Whenever you win a point, shout at them in the face, go like, ah! Make them fear you, right? Or ridicule you, whatever it is. But whatever it is, you're confident on the court because this is your court. And when you feel like this is your court, you're gonna play like it's your court. So confidence. Do you want private coaches, custom training plans, and results in your badminton journey? Well, join our free online badminton academy, link down below. Those are the 5 tips you can immediately use to win badminton PE class every time. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell.